Okay, so welcome back. So now here's another example where we've got a fire pit, okay, and it's in this shape. And so what we want is the homeowner wants to tile this area all the way around the fire pit. Okay, so all of that wants to be tiled. Okay, so we need to figure out, we need to find out the area of this because we're given a cost. They want to find out how much is it going to cost to tile this patch around the fire pit. Okay, so again, so we're told that it's going to be priced out, and they want to do it in marble, so it's priced at $6.75 per square foot. Okay. Okay, that's the price. Okay, so how much is it going to cost the homeowner to do this? Well, we need to find the area of this, right? Because they're giving us a cost per area. So we want to find out how many square feet is this area. How are we going to do this? This is an irregular polygon, right? Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, notice that what shape does this have? Okay? And again, the path around is the same, right? The distance, the thickness, or the width of the path, right, is the same. Okay? But what kind of shape is this? This is the shape of a trapezoid, right? We've got two square angles here. So we've got two parallel sides, one set of parallel sides. These two sides are not. So this is a trapezoid. So all we have to do is use the area of a trapezoid. Oh, and by the way, look at that. We've got an exact same type of trapezoid except smaller. So we can find the area of the inside trapezoid and the area of the outside trapezoid, the larger trapezoid, and all we have to do is take the area of the inside trapezoid and subtract it from the area of the outside trapezoid. And we've got the area we want. That's it. So let's do area one. Let's do area one as the smaller trapezoid. Or let's do ace of I for inside. Okay? So how do we do that? Well, it's equal to what? 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. Well, what's the height of this inside trapezoid? Well, you've got to turn it 90 degrees. This is the height. Okay, so this is going to be 1/2 times the height, which is 6 feet. And the bases are 4 and 6. So you add the bases, which would give you 10. So you take 1/2 of 6 times 10, which is 30. So this is going to be 30 square feet. Okay, good. So now the next thing was we're going to do the area of the outside trapezoid. Again, we're going to use the formula for the area of a trapezoid. 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. Okay, or the average of the bases times the height, however you want to remember it. So this is going to be 1/2. Now the outside height is going to be 9 feet. So this is going to be 1/2 times 9 times the sum of its bases, which is 9 and 6, which is going to give us 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. So we do half of that. Well, in this case here, I'm not going to do half of 9. It's going to be more complicated. So let's do 9 times 15, which is 135. 135, and half of 135 is what? 50 plus 15, 65, 67 and a half. So 67.5 square feet. Okay? And so now, all we have to do is subtract those two areas, and we have the area of the path. Okay, so let's do that. So the area of the path is going to be what? It's going to be 67.5 minus 30, which is going to give us 37.5 square feet. That's the area of the path. Now the cost. Well, we have that much area. We're being charged this amount of money per square foot. This is the amount of square footage we're going to multiply. So we do $6.75 per square foot times 37.5 square feet over 1. Now look at this. The square feet cancel, and what do we end up with? We end up with dollars. That's exactly what we want. And look at that, we multiply. And so what do we get when we multiply? We get approximately, well, we get 253,125. But again, we're going to round to the nearest penny. Okay? So it'd be approximately $253.13 is the amount that it'll cost. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.